ARAG Legal Insurance Review 2024 Pros and Cons Detailed Overview. You won't believe how legal insurance has evolved in 2024. ARAG offers coverage for legal services, consultations, and document review, but is it worth it? The surprising truth is accessibility. Most people get this wrong by assuming legal help is expensive and difficult to access. With ARAG, you gain affordable access to attorneys for personal matters like wills, traffic tickets, and real estate issues. Another advantage is convenience. You won't believe what happens next when you see their nationwide network of attorneys and online tools. Policyholders can schedule consultations, submit documents, and get legal advice quickly without the traditional hassle. However, there are cons. Coverage is limited to specific legal services, and certain cases, like criminal defense, are not included. Premiums vary by plan, and some services may require copays. Additionally, legal insurance does not replace full representation in complex cases. In conclusion, ARAG Legal Insurance in 2024 is ideal for individuals seeking affordable, accessible legal support for everyday personal matters. While not a substitute for full legal counsel, its convenience, coverage, and nationwide network make it a practical safety net for many legal situations.